Hey, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I customize my text editor, so which is Vim. Vim is a very popular text editor. It can be used mostly for any language, and it's the best choice for many good programmers. They use it to make their work very fast. You can customize it and make it the way you want. So to get started, let me open my terminal and show you. So I also just customize my terminal and make it look like this. So I'll make a short video soon how you can customize your Ubuntu terminal, make it look like this, which is very nice, I can say. Let me just show you how I configure it for Python, which is it's now looking really similar to VS Code if you use VS Code, and I was able to install Pylint, and I was able to install a lot of things that can help you to make your code better and fast. So the best way was just to install those things separately and to make the configuration myself. I just learned how to do it, and just let me open this one. Alright, so yeah, so this is how the terminal looks. So you can see here, because I'm in this line, and there is a small difference between the color of this line and the remaining is more black than the other one. So now if I write something, if I write, for example, when you open Vim, I forgot to tell you, when you open Vim, you are in normal mode. Normal mode means you can't type directly when you are in normal mode, so you have to hit the button I or A. For example, I can hit any other button. If I did not hit I or A, I cannot insert anything, I cannot write into the buffer. So for that, let me hit, I already hit the I button, means the insert mode. I can type anything here, for example print. You can see when I just put print, if you did not customize it, it cannot open and close the parentheses for you. So I did it now, it can open and close the parentheses automatically for us, so which looks pretty nice. I can just say print hello world, this is Abdullah Balde from Guinea. I am a have you remarked anything? So when I write this line, when it's come till here, it directly come back to the next line. So what is that? So it's very simple, because most of the time when you are trying to contribute to open source, and the best way to write code is that not to write a very long line, it's just to make it shorter. I just try to make it in such a way that 88 characters will be the maximum character that I can enter in one line, and after that Python will help me to come back to the next line saying, yeah, you did this one, but this is not good, so I just did this one for you. So if I want to run this one, there will be maybe something, just let me show you. If I want to run this one, I just say Python, and then I'll give the name of the file, tutor.py. tutor.py. Okay, so if I start running it, you can see what they are saying me. They are saying no written file. Why? It's really simple, because I didn't save the file. So to save the file, I just need to hit I need to be in normal mode, and then put colon, and then I will just say W, means write. Then it will write it. So you can see something, there is a line here, they are saying syntax error, E of L while scanning string literal. So what does it mean? So this is indentation error. Yeah, what do you understand by this? So it's very simple. This is the way you can write a very good code. So if I did not put this, I can write the line till the end of till here, the end of this file. So for that, how can I fix this error? It's yeah, very simple. So I just need to come here. I can do I can do just a backslash here. This one. Now I think this one will fix our problem. Yeah. Now there is no problem. They are just saying that it's missing module. So docstring, it means docstring, I install it. This will help us to write better code. This is for documentation, and it's really good to write a function whenever you are doing any code, even if just to print your name. Python really for Python program, I like to write function. They like to write class. Okay, so if I just do like this now, W, now no problem. I can just say that you can see still it is now you can see here it is already here, the line you can see here. Okay, so I already wrote it here. It's look nice, right? So this is what it is. I did not complete the line here. That's the reason. So I can do like this. Okay. Okay. Cool, everything is fine. Wow, yeah, you can see here now I put a space. You can see the line here. Yeah, so basically this is how you can do things. And for example, what is good also, I really like if I import anything here, I say import pandas as PD. So what it will do, it will tell me that I import panda but I didn't use it. So it's not good. I'm just making my code like using memory without I don't need it. So if I'm not using it, why should I import it? So if I try to write this one, so it is telling me directly, it's warning me, it's telling me module level imported, not used. And also it's supposed to be imported at the top of the file. It's not imported there, so it will warn us that this is not good sign. So I'll just demonstrate a lot of things. I will make another video. So this just to show you my setup. Yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.